All right, so we were talking about light. Answers to the questions at the beginning. Our primary source of light is the sun. Light travels in a straight line at a speed of 186,000 miles per second. Per second, 1 second. Light waves travel faster than sound waves. That's why you see light and then hear thunder. Light energy from the sun travels through space to Earth and turns to heat energy, warming the Earth. So light goes through space, and that's why we have light and heat energy from the sun. Light from the sun also travels to chloroplasts of green plants producers and is stored as energy. When light reaches an object, it is absorbed, reflected, or passed through it. Okay. Humans have 2 light detectors. Our eye. How many sources of light can you list and explain? Think about it. What do you know that's light? Light bulb, the sun, flashlight, candle, lightning. So the sun is going to warm the air, the water, and the land. Fire provides heat and cooking for fuel. Lightning, fireflies, flashlight, light bulbs, laser beams, optical, telephone wire fibers. Those are all examples of light, things that are traveling at light speed, that are fast, that will provide heat of some sources, or like traffic lights. Okay, some 5th grade questions. A person will see a flash of lightning before they hear thunder that goes with it because, you should already know that. Can you draw a long wavelength and a short wavelength next to it? You should be able to do that. Same page that you just did that quiz on. What scientific tools are used to study light? How do we study what light is? And can you contrast objects that are transparent, translucent, and opaque? So we're going to be doing a little lab on this. What things are transparent? What are translucent? What are opaque? What can you see through? What scatters light? And what can you not see through? What happened when light strikes glass or wax paper or a book? If light travels through an object, it is transparent. If light is blocked by an object or a dark shadow is cast, it's opaque. If some light passes through it, and a light shadow is present, but not all, it is translucent. So like wax paper, you can see through it, but you can't go through it. Glass goes through it clearly. Book, can't see through it at all, opaque. Okay, so what happens? Is a glass of water transparent, translucent, or opaque? Write it down. School bus, window. Notebook paper, wax paper. What about plastic wrap or tissue paper? Cardboard. Textbook. Lens, like a microscope, y'all. Transparent objects. These are things that are transparent. The windows of a school, you can see through. A clear, empty glass. A clear window pane. The lens of some eyeglasses. I can see through my eye. It clearly goes through. Light goes through. I don't have any coloring on it. Clear plastic wrap. The glass on a clock. You can see a clock, no problem. A hand lens, colored glass. All of these are transparent. We can see through them. The light goes through them, each of them. No problem. Translucent. Y'all, this thing's making me move my picture around. Tissue paper. Some light goes through, but not all. Wax paper, tinted car windows, frosted glass, clouds. Like, see how you can see through some of the clouds? Some light passes through, but not all the light, and cannot be clearly seen through. I can't see through that cloud, but I can see part of it. Tinted windows, when your sunglasses, translucent. Light goes through, but it's scattered. Heavy, heavyweight paper, cardboard, aluminum foil, mirrors, bricks, buildings, your eyelids. You can't see through your eyelids, your hands. Solid wood door, they're opaque. Light can't pass through them. They cast a dark shadow. Okay, I'm going to pause it here and then we'll do some optical illusions.